In this video, I will cover error messages that may occur on your PAT 4.0 system. Error number 7 is tie-in hose. This occurs when a cable tie has gone past the exit sensor at the end of the dispenser and hasn't made it up to the tool sensor in the hand tool. Therefore, the tie is stuck between those two sensors in the hose. Let me simulate that error. I'm going to put a large bend in the hose. And first thing you want to do is press the silence button. And then there's a help button on here. If you press help, it actually tells you to check the hose for bends. So I'm going to take the bends out of the hose, press the next button, and then it says straighten the hose, press air burst. I'm going to press the air burst. And it shoots the tie up to the hose. I'm going to remove the tie. Now I'm going to press the back button and then pull the trigger, and I'm ready to go. As I've demonstrated, the main cause for error number 7, which is tie-in hose, is too severe a bend in the hose. Other things you could check is your line pressure. It's suggested to run between 65 and 85 psi, but we recommend running 80 psi. You could also check to make sure your hose connections are tight on both the dispenser and the hand tool end. And lastly, you can check your tie type convey. Just press the button on the screen, it'll display a value, and it should be set for whatever size cable tie you're using. That's how you clear error number 7 on your PAT 4.0 system.